Hello guys. No. Hello there. I am Dramatically. No, that's not my real name. No. My name is Tiffany, but my Instagram, I have it under Dramatically _ and I have some other things in the works. So I kind of took on to Dramatically like years ago. So on this channel, I'll be discussing and showing how I do my makeup. I'm not a cosmetologist, but I just love playing in makeup and showing you how I do my makeup and tips and tricks and what I've learned and what I'm learning, because I'm constantly learning. I'm also going to incorporate a bit of photography, because I like to take photos as well. And maybe a bit of how to brand and market yourself, and manage your content on the web, and how to develop or design websites, because I also do that as well. How to create your own collages, your Instagram pics, adding different effects and words, and to make it just really pop. So I'm going to incorporate all of that into one, and I'm going to organize it and have certain days where I do certain things. So work with me, bear with me while I get this up and running, and so you know what to expect, week to week. So I'm going to show you how I created this look. A bit of the video was cut off in the end because my card kept getting full. So and what else? A little bit about me. I'm in Maryland. I'm from Maryland. I already said I love makeup, I love photos, I love graphic design, I love developing for the web, social media marketing, all that good stuff. So all of that in one. And like I said, I have some things coming up, working on some projects. So let me know what you guys want to see. So I believe that is all for now. Let's get into the look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like, and hit the subscribe button down below. Peace out. Are we ready? Are we ready? First thing I do is prime my face using Too Faced Hangover primer. Coffee is so good. Okay. And after that, I'm gonna use my Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation. Now what I use both ends, so I use the lighter end to cover the light areas of my face, and then I use I call it the contour side, to go over the shadows of my face, the darker parts of my face. This helps into when I contour, it makes it a whole lot easier, and I don't have to contour as much. Also, I usually have to shop for 2 shades for my skin tone, because it's hard to match my skin tone, so I usually have to get 2 shades. So this knocks 2 birds out with 1 stone. to conceal. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in medium. Which is my fave right now, by the way. Just throwing it out there. I think I'm more fascinated. As I was saying before, I was rudely cut off by my camera because rude. I think I'm more fascinated with the applicator than I am with the actual product. I mean, the product is great and it's very creamy and it provides full coverage, but I'm more fascinated with the thick applicator that it comes with. Don't judge me. Use my Anastasia contour kit. I'm going to use these two colors. Those two. And I usually use this doesn't have a name on it, but it looks like a concealer brush. I'm going to use Anastasia's Dipbrow Pomade in dark brown. And I'm using a flat angle brush. I wipe off the excess in the top. I just realized that my speaker is directly underneath the camera, so you probably might not be able to hear me when you actually watch the video. Okay. going to do is I'm going to set my eyebrows in place with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel. I can't think of the color right now. And then right after that, we're going to apply concealer underneath the eyebrow. I use the same concealer I did underneath my eyes, the Shape Tape concealer using a concealer brush. First color we're going to go in with is Cocoa Bear by Geek, and I'm going to apply that using a MAC 217 brush, followed by a Cosmetics blending brush to blend it out. I'm putting it in my outer V and in my crease, and what's left over, I'm dragging it into my inner corner. And then following that, also by Geek. Did I say that the first time? I can't remember if I did. Bitten by Geek as well, and I'm going to apply that to just the outer V. And for that, I believe I used a Morphe brush, maybe, followed by the It Cosmetics brush to blend everything out. And all over my lid, I'm going to be, you like I just jumped in there from the music, like I was already talking, right? Okay. So on the lid, I'm using, I believe it's called Caramel by Lorac Cosmetics all over my lid. And then following that, I'm going to be using Hickory from the Lorac MegaPro 3 palette. Yeah. 3 palette. And then in the next clip, you're going to see that I have a lash on and highlighter and blush because my camera was being disrespectful and said, your card is full, so no more recording for you for right now. Delete something. Let me see, while I was gone, I used a combination of Amrezy highlighter and by Anastasia Beverly Hills, a collaboration with Anastasia and Amrezy, and the Becca Cosmetics highlighter in Champagne Pop. I put that on afterward because I'm extra and I need a little extra bling. Milani blush in Romantic Rose, and on the lips I put think it's Chestnut by MAC. Yeah, Chestnut by MAC for outline. And NYX Lingerie Beauty Mark on the entire lip. And then I put NYX Liquid Suede in 4 in the middle to create that ombre effect, you know? So I'm about to slap on this other eyelash. Let's see. Hello guys. No. Hello there. I am dramatically, no, that's not my real name.